In this video, we will be talking about three types of annotations: music annotation, the laughter annotation, and the unknown label annotation. We already showed how to use the music annotation in a previous video, but we'll repeat it again. So, whenever there's music heard in the background,
এমনকি পতঙ্গের বিষটাও খায় চীনেরা। তবে আজ আমরা পাঠকদেরকে জানাবো চীনের অদ্ভুত কিছু জনপ্রিয়
the music annotation should be used. Laughter is very self-explanatory. Whenever people laugh, you should use the laughter annotation. Keep in mind that when speakers use the words that represent laughter, these should be transcribed and no annotation should be placed. So, if you hear someone say, for example, "Ha ha, that's funny," this would be transcribed. But if the person is really laughing, the laughter annotation should be selected. One final annotation is the unknown label annotation. Basically, we don't use this annotation, and in case you're in doubt and want to use it, you must contact your reviewer for approval.